Hi guys, so today we are in Kilang Tebu, a place to make a brown sugar in lawang. Let's go with me.
At the first, the sugar cane is harvested. In the past, local people used buffaloes as the main tool in the sugar cane grinding process. The buffalo's eyes were covered so they could focus on the work. This rotating circle was built to transport the extracted sugar cane juice to the kitchen for cooking. Now, the local people switch it using machine to streamline the process. The sugar cane juice is then boiled until it thickens. The pulp is strained out, and after cooling for a few minutes in container, they begin molding it with the special tools that have been rinsed with the water. It doesn't take a long time to become a solid block of a brown sugar, which is ready for sale. On the other side, these places also produce a fruit peanuts, a snack that you must try when visiting Lawang village, Agam, West Sumatra.
See you in the next adventure and